Ethics in Captology: The Fine Line Between Persuasion and Manipulation. Humanity's struggle with ethical concerns has existed for thousands of years. All aspects of human behavior throughout the centuries have been scrutinized for ethics, and the advent of modern computing has added yet another dimension to an already complex array of behaviors and situations that require vigilant attention to maintain proper ethics. This research seeks to inform the persuasive technology designer of methods and approaches that may be utilized to stay closer to the persuasion side of the continuum rather than the manipulation side. The questions addressed in this research are: in what ways do persuasive technology designs lend themselves to dubious ethical purposes? What are some examples of unethically applied persuasive technologies? And how can designers of persuasive technologies guard against ethical breaches? Persuasive designs lend themselves to dubious practices due to data collection efforts, the use of surveillance, and tracking capabilities of mobile devices. Some examples of unethically applied persuasive technologies include evil design, improper use of user profiles, and predictive modeling. Some ways designers can guard against ethical breaches include stakeholder analysis, guiding principles, and design methods. Persuasive technology design can raise concerns in the ethics realm, and for good reasons. Technology and persuasion are two domains with separate histories of moral debate. It is widely believed that persuasion can lead to brainwashing, indoctrination, manipulation, and coercion. Some argue that an effort to change people's attitudes and behaviors is questionable and perhaps even unethical. Data about the browsing habits of Internet users, contacts made with others, and location information derived from mobile devices is collected and often used for marketing purposes. Surveillance systems are in place in many contexts, but are they ethical? Standards of usage that take ethics into consideration must be applied. Geographic technology is now so advanced in smartphones that the user's location can be known with pinpoint accuracy. The privacy implications of this are astonishing. Fortunately, scholarly literature on methods for maintaining ethics in persuasive technology exists, and designers have several ethical frameworks to choose from. One single approach may not be effective in all design cases, so it would be prudent for the designer to understand all of them enough to decide which one would be most appropriate for the case in question. It is up to the creators of persuasive technologies to put these available frameworks into practice. The technology realm is always changing, so it is important to continue scholarly inquiry into the issues of ethics in persuasive technology. Further research is necessary to develop more precise guidelines and criteria for ethical frameworks for the evolving field, and even these must be reevaluated with the passage of time due to the inevitable transformation persuasive technology will experience in the future. I chose the topic of ethics in persuasive technology because it is never truly neutral, and it is constantly affecting our lives. People can use persuasion to promote different kinds of outcomes, so it is important for designers to be aware of the dangers, both intended and unintended. Although I doubt I will ever create persuasive designs myself, it is very important to have a thorough understanding of all the ethics as an information professional. This class was every bit as interesting as I expected it to be, and I learned far more than I thought I would. Even though I will not be using the information I learned here to design persuasive software or applications, I will use the knowledge I gained to help information seekers find the products that will help them the most. Seeing clearly how persuasion techniques work, I am now in the position to advise people more effectively in making persuasive design choices.